Om Namah Shivaya. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Lopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjali Pranjali Vranatoshmin. Om Namah Shivaya. Today we are discussing about the natarajasana. The natarajasana improves the balance and focus, it strengthens and the legs, hips, ankles and chest and helps on develop grace. It also promotes inner stillness and consciousness of the world changing all round. Traditionally, natarajasana is the king, and lord. The balance, which is the cosmic dance of creation, preservation and dissolution, named after him. Natarajasana teaches one to recognize contrasts. On one hand, one is aware of the dance of life with all its rhythms, cycles, challenges and rewards. But behind all of this, there is absolute stillness. This pose helps the practitioner to be able to witness all of these movements and changes but remain changeless. In other words, to be still while dancing and to dance. There are variations of this pose in which one can grasp the inside of the lifted foot with the opposite hand and the outside of the foot with the other hand. That requires even greater balance and helps to open the chest even more. Some teachers instruct students to raise the extended arm up to the sky. Please subscribe the channel Village Yoga Studio.